In which file is the metadata priority setting, high, medium, low, stored? Option A. Priority.list. Option B. Role.list. Option C. MDC.list. Option D. Xs.list. The correct answer is option B. In order to assign affinities within a volume using SynAdmin, the volume must be: Option A. Mounted on the current metadata controller. Option B. Dismounted from the current metadata controller. Option C. Mounted on at least one client. Option D. Dismounted from all clients. The correct answer is option A. Which utility is used to gather information about the Apple Fiber Channel PCIX card when installed in a computer? Option A. Activity Monitor. Option B. Network Utility. Option C. NetInfo Manager. D. Fiber Channel Utility. The correct answer is option D. Question 60. A switching hub. Option A. Creates a fabric. Option B. Uses FCL protocol. Option C. Uses F ports to connect to nodes. Option D. Is a passive connection between nodes. The correct answer is option B.